Hey guys, I am Suzanne Ross. You guys are my fans and my friends out there because you are of my Suzanne Munez, my Suzanne. So check this car out. Look at that night. Look at that. Look at that. It's that awesome. If you like another video, can you hit that big thumbs up? Yeah, because I'm with um, one of my brothers here online. So hey guys, let me say, yeah, because I'm going to his submarine, so I form my ship. So yeah, because I am doing the KO political mission, right, with my brother here online. So I'm at his submarine, so doing another part of the for the Cayo Puerto high station though. And just and we are gonna do that pretty soon. But well, I think right now. So yeah, because I already me so my brother and I passed some high mission of the Cayo Puerto mission together as teammates. And and it says that's done. He's not going to do the second round of the heist. But I need to do mine. So if you if you like to help me out, you can. Of my Chicago Puerto high school. Like the the prep stuff. So that, that, that is why I need the help. So if you like and love this video, please give me that big thumbs up of this video and make sure please guys put the comments in the comment section below. If you are interested of helping me out, say something in the comments, okay? Then make sure you subscribe all the way and make sure you subscribe. There's a D to it, and make sure I set that more of the achievement of the year of the 3,000 shows. I'm making sure guys, please make me happy, because I want to see that happen. And after that, Oh, okay. So I'm going to underwater now, guys. Or the submarine. Just underwater. Alright, let me get out of here. So make sure you do that, guys. And make sure you select. Turn your future bell and make sure you click the bell icon. Yes, like this on the both sides, okay? And then you stay tuned for more awesome animation, fun, creative videos for you guys to able to watch, to enjoy to watch, okay? So make sure you do that, guys. And make the show. Okay? So that is it for now. Make sure you do all of that right now, guys. This was the show. I am Tuesday with us. So see you guys in the next video.